What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today's video, it is about replacing the front turn signals on the Escalade to LEDs. I'm doing LED ambers. I'm not gonna be doing any white ones. And the back license plates as well to LEDs. For some reason, Cadillac decided to put your license plate bulbs still regular incandescent bulbs. Same thing with the front lights, where every other light in this car, including the headlight, is an LED. I mean, these are all LEDs everywhere in this car, yet Cadillac went with incandescent turn signals and license plate bulbs. I don't know why they did that. But anyways, now what you're gonna see behind me here, of course, this is not how you replace the lights. You don't have to remove the entire bumper. The reason I have it like this is because, of course, as you guys see in my other videos, this light is cracked. And I thought it was just that, you know, it was cracked and it was loose. I know the tabs were broken inside, but when I come to take the bumper off, check this out. Look at this. The whole side of the housing is all missing and broken, and no wonder water gets in there so easily. So I'm going to be replacing the entire light assembly. And again, this is not a process to replace the lights. You could actually, if you're able to, get your hand in here, remove this panel actually, and get your hand in here and remove the actual bulb itself. And then put the new bulb in, and you could do that, you know, just getting on the car. You don't even have to jack the car up. But I'm gonna show you, the ones I'm gonna be using are actually the AUXITO LEDs. Now these already have the resistor built into them, so it won't give you that hyper flash, which is good. Now they are amber, so I'm not doing like a white one or anything like that. They didn't have any, by the way, all white with the resistor, but it's gonna be a brighter turn signal. I love doing LEDs on my cars, so we're gonna do the LED amber and we're gonna do the license plate bulbs to LEDs because, again, Cadillac decided to just do those 4 bulbs and leave those incandescent. Everything else is pretty much an LED in this car. Now, if you guys do follow my channel or have seen my videos, you guys know I bought this car used. I'm just gonna go off the subject here for a little bit. I bought this car used, and pretty much, and I'm sweating here because it's hot, by the way, but pretty much I bought the car used, 46,000 miles on it, and it was a good deal. It was $35,000 with a 2016 Escalade with 46,000 miles on the car. Now, of course, it had its issues. It had that fog light that's broken. It had some damage on the front bumper, which is now covered up by the wrap. You can still see it if you look close, but the wrap does a pretty good job of covering it. The front suspension, I had a service suspension light on, or message, and it can tell you it was a code for the right front suspension. That's been fixed since the last video. That is done. The step rail was stuck out on my driver's side. It wouldn't go back, it wouldn't go in. I replaced the motor for that. That's done already. The only thing I didn't do, and if you guys follow my video, like I said, follow my channel, is so far I haven't done the tail light. We had a little crack up here, and you can probably still see it in there, but with it being smoked out, you can barely see it now unless you really point it out. I haven't fixed the mirrors, which is pretty much I found out that the mirrors are disconnected inside of the doors, but I guess the Escalades have 2 different type of mirrors and connectors, and whoever replaced the mirrors on this car at some point got the wrong mirrors, just never connected them. So that'll be just a wiring repair I got to do. And then the Q system has been fixed. That Q system is all done and fixed. And of course, again, there was a video that I kind of did on that, not specifically on how to do it, but talking about it. Now, all the videos I'm talking about right now will be down in the description below. So today, again, it's just gonna be a quick video on replacing the lights. And I'm gonna show you, again, these lights are pretty simple. You get these panels out, you're able to reach these turns counterclockwise, take the bulb out, put them in. And on the back ones, I will show you those in a second. I'm first gonna go ahead and finish putting the bumper back together and the new light on there. And then I will show you guys how to do the back ones in a second here. All right, the front bumper is back on with the new light, so it doesn't look ugly now. And again, that damage is on the bumper right in this area. It's pretty much because of the wrap, you can barely see it. So right now, this car looks perfect. Got the new light on there, no damaged light. Everything looks good. We got the LED turn signals, which I'll show you guys in a second, that they don't have that hyper flash because of the resistors these lights have in them. And then of course now we're gonna go ahead and do the ones out in for the license plate. So for the license plate lights, these are very simple. You gotta take a plastic trim removal tool, and you see this little notch right here, both lights have it. You're gonna go ahead and just go ahead and push on it and then pull down with your other hand and the light pops right out. And then you go ahead and turn the light bulb counterclockwise to pull the whole connector out. Take the bulbs out, put the new bulbs in. There you go, now we have LEDs. Look at these things, they're gonna be super bright at night. Put everything back to inside the housing, same way you took it out. Turn them clockwise. Insert them with the tab in first, and then go ahead and push them in. Pretty much the reverse of what you just did. All right, so there you guys have it. Those lights were very easy to do. Now let's take a look at these lights. Now again, like I said, I did put everything back together. We have the AUXITO amber turn signal now, which is a lot brighter. But again, a lot of people, when they go LEDs, you have to either put a resistor on so you don't get the hyper flash, or you end up with that hyper flash. So let's turn the car on. Well, we're not gonna turn it on all the way, but we're just gonna, actually, yeah, we'll turn it on the other way. Need the keys though. All right, let's turn this baby on. And turn signals. And there's a turn signal. Super bright light. No hyper flash. Lights flashing normal. You could even tell in your dash right there. So sorry about the audio again. My main camera died, so I'm finishing it up on my iPhone here. But I'm gonna take some night shots of this and show you guys at the end of the video. Take a look at exactly what they look like at night. I did not do a before and after, for the simple fact I did not record the lights before or after. And normally I do that on all my videos when I do lights, but the problem here was that I wasn't planning on doing this today, and it just out of nowhere I decided to do it and record this video for you guys. So again, AUXITO lights, I will have a link in the description down below. You guys can check them out. If you use the code I got down there, which is PRV10, that'll give you 10% off the order of lights. And you get them for your Escalade or any other car. Just go ahead and basically they sell LED lights, LED bars, a lot of car accessories. Go ahead and check them out. But that is the end of this video, and I'm gonna leave you guys with some night shots of how these lights will look at nighttime. So if you guys did like the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that like button as well, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.